Welcome to Future Step Pakistan. Air University Islamabad is a leading public sector university in Pakistan, known for its strong academic programs in engineering, IT, and management sciences. Eligibility criteria: undergraduate BS, ANG, minimum 60% marks in intermediate FSC pre-engineering or equivalent. Physics, chemistry, and mathematics are required subjects. GCE A levels with physics, chemistry, and math are accepted with an IBCC equivalent certificate. Provisional admission allowed for awaiting results. Final admission confirmed after meeting requirements. Non-engineering programs. Most BS programs, for example, computer science, business, require minimum 50% marks in intermediate or equivalent. Subjects vary by program. For example, math required for CSAI. Pre-medical students may need to pass a math deficiency course if qualifying for certain programs. Entry test and merit. Air University Entry Test, AUCBT, mandatory for most undergraduate programs, especially engineering and computer sciences. Entry test questions are typically based on intermediate level subjects. Alternative tests may be accepted in some cases, for example, approved HEC, ETC, or NTS NAT, SAT, but many applicants still sit the AU test. Policies can vary year to year. Entry test and merit. Merit calculation. SSC marks. HSSC marks. AU entry test score. Exact percentage weights can vary. Generally, a large emphasis is given to the entry test for engineering admissions. Application process. Online application. Register online on the Air University admissions portal. Fill out your details, SSC, HSSC marks, CNIC, Form B, test info. Upload documents and pay the processing fee. Required documents: SSC and HSSC certificates, NIC, Form B, or NICOP for overseas. Intermediate result card or provisional. IBCC equivalents for OA levels or international qualifications. Passport photos. After admission offer, you may need to submit attested documents physically as well. Provisional admission. If you're awaiting results, you can often receive provisional admission, but finalization depends on meeting minimum marks. For example, is greater than or equal to 60% for engineering.
Fee structure: approximate undergraduate per semester. BS Computer Science. Tuition: $127,500. Miscellaneous charges: $6,000. Admission fee: $20,000. Endowment fund: $5,000. Security deposit: $10,000. Total $168,500 PKR.
BS Cybersecurity. $153,000. Other charges: $41,000. Total to $194,000 PKR. BBA and tuition: $113,600. Other charges: $41,000. Total to $154,600 PKR. Subsequent semesters: similar per credit hour fees each semester. MISC charges to 5,500 inches later semesters, not 6,000. Security deposit, admission fee, and application fee are only once in your first semester. Optional, additional costs. Not mandatory, but many students pay. Hostel accommodation depends on location, rates vary widely. Local estimates: PKR 20K 70K, month in private hostels near campus. Transport shuttle for commuting students: PKR 25-34K per semester, according to student discussions. Books, laptop, stationery, one-time costs based on program. scholarships, and fee reductions. Air University offers merit and need-based scholarships for both UG and PG students, including tuition waivers for top performers. Examples: position holder scholarships top 3 with tuition fee waivers. SGPA-based awards.
Official phone/contact numbers. For admissions queries, some updates list the admissions phone as 051-915-3224/051-228-1176 and a WhatsApp contact 0311-918-7200, but the primary official number remains 051-9262557-9 as per the university SIT. Official email: info@o.edu.pk. Main campus address: Air University, PAF Complex, Sector E9, Islamabad, Pakistan.
Important tips. Always get your IBCC equivalence certificate early if you have O, A levels, or foreign qualifications. Prepare well for the AU entry test. It's crucial for engineering and science merit. Submit all documents before deadlines. Late submissions can jeopardize your seat. Follow the official Air University website for updated admission notices and test dates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.